What's up, everybody? Jay here. Hey, so on this episode, we did pulled pork. So right now, I'm gonna go ahead and put on the burner using some yellow mustard. We're gonna rub in the yellow mustard, and then we're gonna put on some of that smoked glow seasoning, and we're gonna season up this pork shoulder, and then we're gonna take this thing outside and put it on the pit so it can get a nice long smoked glow bath. And on this day, I was using cherry oak. Oh yeah, we got that cherry oak going, and we did this pulled pork for approximately 6 hours. Hey, just sit back and check it out, and I'm gonna show you guys how it all went down. Yes, sir. All right, y'all. Y'all know I had to do it. There go that pork shoulder on its last walk on the roadside. Yes, sir, baby. We're going to go ahead and put this thing on the Weber. Bam. Got it on the Weber right there. Hey, and like I said, we let this thing go for approximately 6 hours. We just going to let it go slow and low until it get the way we want it to be. Hey, after 2 hours, I did do a little spritz. I spritzed it down. Basically just using some apple juice. Spritzed it down, and we're gonna let it go. Okay, so now right here, I'm just, going ahead and putting together this homemade coleslaw, because this is gonna go good with the pulled pork and on the pulled pork sandwiches. Oh yeah. So like I stated, we just got the little prepared packages where, it's already shredded up. So you basically just put it in a bowl, and then it come with the little packets of sauce, what you're gonna mix in with the bowl. And then, as you can see what I'm doing right there, I'm opening it up, and I'm gonna put that in the bowl. And then I'm gonna stir that around. And basically the only thing I added with this was a little sugar, because I kind of like my coleslaw more so on the sweet side. And I'm gonna just stir this around, and it's gonna be on and popping. Sit it in the freezer, let it get a nice little chill on it. Oh yeah. All right, you guys. So right here, I say we was probably at the 5-hour mark. So I went on and took it off the pick. Now it's time to do the tender action. So I put it in some foil, and then I put it right back on the pick so it can tender up. Now, as you can see right here, I let it tender up for approximately 2 more hours, and then I let it rest right there for about an hour, and then it was time to pull it. And man, even after that time that I let it rest, whoo, yes sir, that bad boy was still smoking hot, burning my hands off. But look, just check out that little nice little smoke color right there, man. You can't beat that, man. Hey, I'm gonna go ahead and use my tools that I have because I was burning my hand up. And look, bam, right there. Good, nice pulled pork, baby. Lord have mercy. And you better believe I did a test try tasting this and see how good this was. Hey, last phase. Let's go ahead and make a sandwich. It was all worth it, man. Hey, we're gonna go ahead and put some on this bun. I was using that sweet Hawaiian roll bun too. You know that was good. Put some of this pulled pork on, and then we're gonna pour on. There you see it right there, baby. That coleslaw. We're gonna go ahead and put the coleslaw in the mix, and we're gonna add on a little barbecue sauce. I thinned up some barbecue sauce, made it real thin. And look, just put it all together. And oh my goodness, check this out. Bam! There it is, baby. My style, my twist and take on making some barbecue pulled pork. Man, hey, thank you guys for watching. But look, you already know how I'm gonna end this. It's time to say grace and smash.